This is why your next smoothie needs to be anti-aging. Wrinkles, dullness, tired skin, let's blend them away. Ready for a glow up in a glass? Let's talk about what's inside. Overhead shot of mixed berries, avocado, collagen, chia, spinach, and coconut water on marble surface. Mixed berries, think blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, are packed with antioxidants that help fight off free radicals, those pesky molecules that contribute to aging skin. Avocado brings healthy fats and vitamin E, both known for keeping skin plump and hydrated. A scoop of collagen powder? That's your skin's best friend, supporting elasticity and reducing the look of fine lines. Next up, chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with omega-3s, supporting smoother, more resilient skin. Spinach sneaks in even more antioxidants and vitamin C, while coconut water keeps everything light and refreshing. Blend it all together and you get a gorgeously rich purple smoothie. Delicious, nutrient-packed, and designed for beauty from the inside out. Scientific studies show that antioxidants and collagen can help protect your skin, boost radiance, and support a youthful glow. Notice the difference before, tired, dull skin, after, a fresher, more luminous look. For a complete anti-aging nutrition plan, check out our guide in the description. Cheers to feeling and looking your best, one sip at a time.